Got a quick getaway from the city on a camping trip, and today I'm going to make a pulled beef sandwich inspired by Chinese takeout. I had a huge fire at first, and now I have these glowing embers over in this direction. I still have an active live fire over here because I need to keep this going for like 2 hours while the beef cooks. My Dutch oven has these things on the bottom, so you can really just put it right on the fire, but but what's nice is this campground has a grill attached that we can just use. I have this great chuck roast here. While the other side of this sears off, I'm going to add the onions that I just chopped. This is a mixture I mixed at home. It had soy sauce, rice vinegar, a little honey. There's garlic in here. And I wanted it to be kind of like a teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna add just a little of this stuff to our slaw that I chopped earlier. This slaw has broccoli stems, cabbage, and then broccoli tops as well. And then we're gonna finish this off with lime juice later on. I'm gonna take the rest of this sauce and just pour it right on here. And that's it, really. This is gonna just simmer now for the next like 2 or 3 hours. And we're gonna see how it comes out later. This sandwich is so good. There's the spice from the chili paste, the super savory soy sauce, and it just like permeates the meat and gives it such a great campfire like flavor that you want, that you expect and you want when you're sitting by the river in a tent. And after cooking it this long and kind of tending to it, you just want to eat it so bad. You're staring at it and you're craving it, and when you finally are eating it, it's so damn good.